the solutions presented, whether you twist the coin there with the badge being expensive and you twist the coin this way with the containers being expensive, they are still expensive. But in times of crisis, spend the money and get it done. If GEBE is sitting on $12 million, then $12 million it is. Then $12 million it is. Because, Madam Chair, at the meantime, or in the meantime, I show Colway is out of current. I want to believe, Madam Chair, yeah, you live in Colway, Madam Chair, so I would want to believe that everybody in St. Maarten would have been feeling good if they were living in Cahill. Because current don't go off there because of the hospital. So current don't go off there. But this is a crisis, and my colleague Utley made mention, you can't put the word crisis and expense together. Yes, you got to be responsible with the spending of the money. But your people are suffering now. They are suffering right now. And things need to happen right now. It can't happen tomorrow or the day after. But 6 weeks and 3 months, and it is still, oh my God. That's how it feels. That's how it feels. And I don't know if you have a generator, but I don't. And then you can imagine the rest of the people. This is why I said early in the beginning, before you take everything as gospel from GEBE, check the other alternatives. I can assure you, not assure, I can guarantee to you and make it factual to you, there are other sources that can produce the containers cheaper, better, and have them on the island faster than 6 weeks and 3 months. But I cannot agree with the portion of sustainable energy and renewable energy.